Are the chords in the key of E major causing a little bit of frustration for you? Well, even after a few years of playing, it might still feel like you're not getting anywhere with those chords. So what we're doing in this video is practice, practice, practice. We're just transitioning between an E major chord and another chord. So we're going to be playing 2 bars, E major and then one of the other chords in the key of E major. And what we have are 3 major chords. We've got E, A and B, and 3 minor chords. We've got F sharp minor, G sharp minor and C sharp minor. We're focusing on those 6 chords and we'll be playing 2 bars, E and one of the other chords, going around it for approximately 1 minute non-stop and playing at 60 beats per minute, which will mean you will be doing 1 strum every second. Now, keep it simple for yourself. Just use down strums. There's no need to try and do anything flash here because we're focusing on your fretting hand. That's what we're really working on. But if you kind of get a bit lost, don't stop. Okay, so if you find yourself getting, oops, kind of, fumbling around the fretboard, keep this hand just going and try to keep the rhythm and try to follow me so you come back to the E and then the second chord. Right, now let's go. This is E to A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have E major to C sharp minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go from E to F sharp minor. Now, if any of these chords are a little bit difficult for you, then click the link down below. It'll take you to a playlist of full tutorials for these chords. Now let's get into E and F sharp minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now something that helps me with that chord change is keeping my third finger on. When I go from E to the F sharp minor, keep that third finger on and slide it up to the 4th fret and then put the rest of the shape down. And if you're beginning to feel a bit stiff, a bit tense, try to relax, because one thing you don't want is to have aches and pains after a little practice session. So stay a bit loose, because you can often get shoulder pain, neck pain, maybe even a headache. So let's go on to E to G sharp minor, and G sharp minor is basically the same shape as F sharp minor, just move it up 2 frets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like the third finger staying on the fretboard from E to F sharp minor, you can do exactly the same with E to G sharp minor. All right, so you can keep the third finger on, slide it all the way up to the 6th fret, and then put the rest of the shape down. Make the change a little easier. Now let's do E major to B major. 1, 2, 3, 4. I wonder if you can guess which was my least favourite chord change. Let me know which is your favourite and your least favourite chord change down below in the comments. I'd love to get your feedback. If you want more chord practice like this, then click the link here. And thank you so much for joining me today. Happy strumming.